81. Write the various ways to get the status of a checkbox.
The status for getting status of a checkbox as follows. If the checkbox is checked, then the alert will return true. 82. Explain the window.onload and onDocumentReady perform in JavaScript. Answer. onload. The window.onload will execute the codes when the browser loads the DOM tree and other resources like images and objects. The onload function is not run further and until all the information on the page is loaded, leading to some delay before any code is executed. onDocumentReady. The onDocumentReady is executed when the DOM is loaded, without waiting for the resources to load like onload works. This leads to the onDocumentReady allows to executes the code faster in DOM. In the case of onDocumentReady, it loads the codes just after the document object manipulation is loaded, so this allows early manipulation of the code. 83. What do you mean by closures in JavaScript? When are they used? Answer. The closure is nothing but a locally declared variable or otherwise known as the local variable, which is related to a function, and it stays in memory at the time when the function has returned. 84. What do you mean by anonymous function in JavaScript? Describe its properties. Answer. A function said to be an anonymous function when the function is declared without any named identifier. In other words, we can say that the anonymous function is inaccessible after their declaration in a program or a code. 85. Explain hoisting in JavaScript. Answer. Hoisting is a JavaScript behavior where anywhere the variable functions are declared they are moved to the top of the scope. Note the scope may be local or global. 86. Explain implicit type coercion in JavaScript. Answer. Automatic value conversion from one data type to another data type is known as implicit type coercion in JavaScript. There are many types: number to string, string to number, Boolean to number, etc. When different values are applied to the data types that are not of that value, it automatically converts them. String coercion. The time when the number is added to a string, it converts the number type as a string type with the help of the plus operator. 87. Is JavaScript a statically typed or a dynamically typed language? Answer. JavaScript is categorized as a dynamically typed language. Because the variable type is checked during runtime parallelly with statically typed language, where the types of a variable are checked during the compilation phase. Explain passed by value and passed by reference. Answer. JavaScript provides two different categories of datatypes: primitive and objects. Primitive datatypes: number, Boolean, string, null and undefined. Objects: arrays, functions, plain objects and more. Anything except primitive are objects. Note: all primitive datatypes in JavaScript is passed by value. Pass by value. In this, the function is called by passing the value directly as an argument. So, any changes that's made inside a function won't affect the actual value. The parameters passed as arguments are mutated, creation of own copy. So, any changes made inside the function is made to a copied value but not for the original one. 90. Explain higher order functions in JavaScript. Answer. Where starting a function with the bracket is necessary, else it will be considered as the normal function. The second set of parentheses is used to invoke the function because functions do not work without invoking. Just like data types such as number, Boolean, string is considered to be the data, then functions can also work as data. 1. Functions can be passed through other functions. 2. Functions can be set as object properties. 3. Functions can be stored in arrays. 4. Functions can be set as variables. Thanks for watching Salesforcestart.